Hi everyone, this is Bill from Sovol. Currently, we have released our new silent board for SV01, which is this. In consideration, we have lots of new Sovol users in our communities. So I decided to make a video to explain to you how to replace our new silent board in SV01 step by step. So make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get notified from Sovol. Okay, without further ado, let's start. There's one more thing you have to remind is the firmware of the silent board. The silent board firmware is without BL touch. So that means if you have add one BL touch on your SV01, so you have to flash the firmware. You can get the firmware file from our official website or Facebook user groups. Anyhow, if you don't know how to flash the firmware, you can click here to find out. Okay, that's it for today. So if you still have any question or problem with your printer, you can please leave your comment below and we'll be responding within 24 hours. See you next time.